Bobela Fanatics yena I'm your host Limpo Mukhale. Nginenews lekhulu la madoda akunamanyovu kwadla. Hey hayi, Kruger madoda 3, Catholic Stars 2. Cronmaniam manyovu, Kulmanam manyovu. Game uyibone njani manyovu?
Mna kabadlale kahle kakhulu both sides. The game was 50-50, but one and for all, the referee was little bit one-sided. And akafuni issue ama yellow card la kumele khona. Yeah. At a later stage, ilaqala khona keep a yellow card. But nevertheless, the pressure we got from this game, it was from the right hand side. That jersey number 77. I'm telling you.
Yes.
Yeah. But he was tired. Yeah. So sangena ke. Yeah, because when I came, I predicted almost 3-1. But nevertheless, it's a win. And remember, they were on top, ne? Yeah. And now, ne? Sila imva kwabo, ne? Singenile. Uyabona imvula inile la ngithi. Inile imvula la kaMnisi, ne? Mara lo muntu okutshela kona mnaka, ne? Utobona from next week. Utobona. Utobona mnaka. Yeah. Uyabona i-goalkeeper wethu ne ngokuthandzako ngaye uyakhona ukulilanza ibhola mara lokho ngifuna kona akwende you must talk siyambita uma silanga ngaphandle mnaka ngibonge kakhulu ne Kruger. Mvuleni ukwadla ngumanyovi lo sutelako angatsinwa isikasha kwaka namkongwana
Mvuleni ngiyabonga ne.